Arctic weather brings blizzard warnings across northern U.S. Arctic air is causing blizzard and winter storm warnings for millions in the northern U.S. states like Minnesota, Iowa, Michigan, New York, and Maine are under alert. A bomb cyclone in Michigan has already caused power outages. Residents are advised to monitor weather forecasts and take safety precautions. Arctic air brings snowstorms to U.S. regions. A significant shift in weather patterns is underway as Arctic air moves southward, affecting regions from the plains to the East Coast and Gulf Coast. According to AccuWeather, this cold front is accompanied by snowstorms in the Midwest and Northeast, prompting blizzard and winter storm warnings for tens of millions of residents. Areas under these warnings include Minnesota, Iowa, Michigan, New York, and Maine. The inclement weather follows a period of unusually warm temperatures, which set records in several cities. The transition to colder conditions is marked by a bomb cyclone in Michigan, which has left thousands without power. This weather event is expected to disrupt travel plans and impact New Year's celebrations across affected regions. Severe winter weather. Blizzard warnings issued in Midwest. Across the northern United States, residents are bracing for severe winter weather as Arctic air descends, bringing blizzard conditions and significant snowfall. The National Weather Service has issued blizzard warnings for parts of the Midwest and Northeast, including areas in Minnesota, Iowa, Michigan, New York, and Maine. These warnings indicate the potential for heavy snow, strong winds, and reduced visibility, making travel hazardous. In addition to the blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings are in effect for a broader area, alerting residents to the possibility of accumulating snow, ice, and hazardous travel conditions. Drastic temperature change. Bomb cyclone causes disruption. The shift to colder conditions follows a period of unseasonably warm weather, with many cities experiencing record-high temperatures. However, the arrival of the Arctic air mass has brought a drastic change, with temperatures plummeting and snowstorms developing across the region. In Michigan, a bomb cyclone has already caused significant disruption, leaving thousands without power and creating treacherous travel conditions. The combination of heavy snow and strong winds is expected to create near whiteout conditions in some areas, further exacerbating travel difficulties.